Hello and welcome back to Frappe ERP Next course. In this lecture, we will discuss different types of DocType present in Frappe framework. Let's start learning. I'm opening my web application, then go to build, open DocType. Up to this video, we have only create normal DocTypes and we already know how to create a normal DocType in Frappe. Here I am again creating a normal DocType. Let's add a DocType, then give a name normal DocType. Then it belongs to our programming module. We can add fields here. I'm adding two fields, then save the document and go to normal doctype list. Let's create a document inside this normal doctype. Save this. And now we successfully saved our first normal doctype. So this is the normal doctype and we can save this document whenever we want. So this is how a normal doctype look like. Next I am creating a submittable type doctype. Let's go to doctype list and add a new doctype. Let's add a name submittable doctype and select module programming module. Then I'm adding two fields ABC and DEF. Then we can make this doctype submittable by checking this box is submittable. So I'm checking this box and save the doctype and go to submittable list. The list view is same as normal doctype and I'm creating a document. Then I'm adding some values. Then saving the document. Now the document is saved and the status of the document is in draft state. Here we can see a submit button on the right corner of this form and this means this document can submit. So here I am going to submit this document. Let's click on submit and it will ask a confirmation message. Just click on yes. And now the document is submitted and the status is changed from draft to submitted. Another important thing of submittable document is once we submit a document, the user cannot edit that field. That means all fields are become read-only and we can see our field ABC here and it is read-only. We can't edit this document. So this is how submitted doc type is working. Our next doc type is a single type doc type. Let's create a single type doc type. Let's add a name single. Then doc type. Select module programming module. Add some values. We can make this doc type single by checking this field is single. Then save the document. The main difference between single doc type and other doc type is we cannot create multiple document in single doc type. So the report creation is not possible in single. So that's why this message is showing. Let's close this message and go to single doc type. Here we cannot see a list view because it's a single doc type and we can only add values and save the doc type. So this is how a single doc type is working. So report generation and multiple document creation is not possible in single doc type. Let's add some values, then save this. Now the value is saved as a single doc type document. Let's go to doc type list and next we will see how to create a tree structure doc type. And I'm adding a new doc type. Then let's give a name tree doc type. Select programming module and I'm adding two field. Then we can change this doc type into tree structure by checking this box is tree. Then let's save the document. And now we can see some additional fields in field list. So these fields are used for creating that tree structure. So let's go to tree doc type list, and the list view is same as submittable and normal doc type. Let's add a tree doc type. I'm adding some values here. We can add this doc type into a group, or if there is any parent is present, we can select that parent. So I am not adding this as a parent, I am just saving this doc type. Then go to list and select tree. Now we can see the tree structure of this doc type, and if we select on this, we can add child to this doc type. I'm adding a child, and now a new doc type is created. Let's edit this, and here we can see our fields. Let's add some values. Then this is a group document, and this old parent and parent tree doc types are filled with our previous document. Let's save this. Go to tree doc type and open tree view. We can also add some child inside this doc type, and this is our new child. We can add one more child inside this. So here we can see two childs are present inside this document, and if you go to edit this, it is not a group and it only have parents. So this is how tree views are created. Here I will show you a fully functional tree structure in ERP Next, and which is chart of accounts. And let me expand all. So it will show the complete tree structure of accounts present in this ERP Next. So this is an example of tree doc type. Let's wind up this lecture and see you on the next lecture. Bye.